idols na sumama sa ating mga finalists and also to our surprise guest, ABS-CBN and its Showtime star, Ion Perez. And now, to help us decide who will be our star of the night, let's call on stage one of the country's top stylists, the stylist of the stars. Let's welcome, with a bang, Mr.
Bang Pineda!
Palakpakan natin!
You know what, sir? It's such an honor na makasama ng nag-iisang Bang Pineda sa ating event today. And thank you also for creating a special Icon shirt para sa ating lahat. Sa mga wala pa dyan, grab one today. And now, Mr. Bang Pineda, will you help us in announcing the winners of this rally's Stars of the Night?
No. The winner for Best Dressed Male is number 3.
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Chris Martibay!